Hello everyone, welcome to the 7th lesson of the basic abacus learning. In this video, you will learn about the multiplication of a 2-digit number multiplied by another 2-digit number by using the abacus. Let us get started. Usually, when a 2-digit number is multiplied by another 2-digit number, you will get the multiples of 4-digit number. Let us look at some examples. Alright, as you can see, 63 is a 2-digit number and 46 is also a 2-digit number. Therefore, the multiple is going to be a 4-digit number. Since it is going to be a 4-digit number, meaning to say we are going to use 4 columns of our abacus for this operation. Let us get started. First, we are going to look at the multiples of 63 and 4. As usual, this is what you have been doing for the previous lessons, which is a 2-digit number multiplied by a 1-digit number. So 6 times 4 is equals to 24. So we are going to place 24 starting from the 1000 column. Alright, next we are going to look at the second digit, which is the multiples of 3 and 4. As you know, the multiples of 3 and 4 is a 12. So we are going to place the value of 12 starting from the 100 column. As you can see, there are no more lower bits for you to add 1 at the lower column. Therefore, we need to use the small friend formula operations. So since you want to add 1, the small friend of 1 is 4. So now we are going to call the boss, which is 5. And now we will send back the small friend, which is 4. Alright, so we just add the value of 10. Now we are going to add 2 at the 10 column. Alright, that's all for the first one. Now we are going to look at 64 multiplied by 6. Alright, so as usual, we are going to look at the multiples of 6 and 6, which is 36. So now we are going to place 36 starting from the 100 column. 36. Alright, for the second digit, which is multiple of 3 and 6, we know that the multiples of 3 and 6 is an 18. Therefore, we are going to place 18 starting from the 10 column. Alright, as you can see, the multiples of 63 and 46 is 2898. Alright, let us look at the other example. Alright, this is also a 2-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number. Therefore, the multiples of both of these numbers is going to be a 4-digit number. So as usual, we will start off by looking at the multiples of 42 and 3. As you can see, the multiples of 4 and 3 will be a 12. And the multiples of 2 and 3 will be a 6. So over here, we are going to apply the 0 rule to make the value of 6 to be 0, 6. Alright, so now let's place the values on the abacus. So we are going to use 4 column. So now we are going to place the value of 12. Next, since the 0 rule has been applied, we are going to leave the 100 column blank and we will add 6 at the 10 column. Alright, that's all for the multiple of 42 and 3. Now we will look at the multiple of 42 and 2. So, the multiples of 4 and 2 will be a 8. And the multiples of 2 and 2 will be a 4. As you can see, both of the multiples are single digits and therefore 0 rule has to be applied. So this will be 08 and a 04. Alright, so now let's place the value on the abacus. Usually we are going to place the value starting from the 100 column, but since it is a 0, we are going to start off with the 10 column. As you can see, we don't have enough bits to add the value of 8 at the 10 column. So now the addition is going to involve to the second column, and therefore the big friend formula operation has to be applied. Since we are going to add the value of 8, we need to know who is the big friend of 8. As you can see, the big friend of 8 is a 2. So now we are going to invite the boss, which is 10, and we will send back our friend, which is 2. Alright, next, for the value of 4, we are going to skip the 10 column since the value is a 0, and we will add 4 at the unit column. Alright, so the multiples of 42 and 32 is 1344. Alright, that's all for our lesson today. I hope you understand the lesson on the multiplication of 2 digits and 2 digits. If you have any questions, kindly leave down your comments at the comment sections below. Have fun practicing. See you again in the next lesson.